This video is for educational purposes.
Welcome to this exciting episode where I'm going to explain how you can do internships at Tata and ISRO without any entrance exam and without paying any fees. I'll explain everything step by step in simple words. The government will launch a comprehensive scheme to provide internship opportunities in 500 top companies to 1 crore youth over 5 years. This can be extremely important for your career. This video can be very valuable for you, so watch it carefully till the end without skipping. When reputed names like ISRO and Tata are added to your LinkedIn, portfolio or resume, the weightage automatically increases and you start attracting opportunities. These programs are very important for students and freshers because having some exposure is better than a blank resume. You understand how things work and gain certifications in tech. Let's start with Tata Internships, then move to ISRO, and after that we'll discuss swag and bonus content. First, there's a free Be a Future Ready Youth program by TCS Ion. Here you learn English communication, behavioral skills, presentation skills, resume building, business etiquette, fundamentals of accounting, IT basics, and AI. It's a free course and you receive a certificate of achievement from TCS ION. Now about the Tata virtual internship. It's very simple to apply. You just sign up for free, log in with Google and start learning. You'll complete tasks and assessments. There are no live sessions, but you'll get pre-recorded guidance. After completing tasks, you receive a certificate from Tata, which you can add to your resume and LinkedIn. This helps you discuss your learning in interviews and improves your profile. You simply click Start Free Simulation. Continue with Google, create your account and begin tasks. That's it. There's also another Tata portal called Tata Strive, which focuses on building skills for employment. You can explore free learning opportunities there as well. Now let's talk about ISRO internships. Even getting an opportunity at ISRO greatly boosts your resume. Python is widely used in ISRO for satellite data analysis, simulations, and automation. Students from science and technology backgrounds like BSc, Physics/Chemistry, BE/BTech, ME/MTech, MSc, BS/MS can apply. There are 2 internship cycles each year, May to July and October to December. The application process is simple. You need to email your CV with details like education, projects, internships, area of interest, and work experience. You also need an NOLC or declaration from your college, HOD. You can send it by email instead of post. So friends, I have given you the each and every details. So if you found helpful, then comment Tata or ISRO below. And also if you face doubts, you can ask in the comments. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. And for daily job alerts, do visit foundthejob.com.